Here's a cute cat. Cats love to sleep and purr. This is a cow. Cows give us milk. This is a hen. Hens lay eggs. This is a dog. Dogs are friendly and love to play. Look, a dolphin. Dolphins live in the sea and love to jump. Here comes an elephant. Elephants are big and have long trunks. This is a lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle. This is a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Here's a funny monkey. Monkeys swing on trees and love bananas. This is a turtle. Turtles move slowly and have hard shells.